Want to turn your own selfie into a message sticker? It's easier than you think. Today I'll show you how to take one selfie and turn it into 2 different stickers you can actually send in iMessage. With ChatGPT, you can do this on either the mobile app or the online version. Go to Image, choose the sticker template, add your photo, adjust the sticker style in prompt, and send. That's it. You get a clean, flat sticker of your face with the background removed, ready to drop into iMessage. You may also use Nero AI Cartoonizer for 3D cartoon-style stickers. It's an online tool, nothing to install, you just open it in your browser. It's also very simple. Upload your photo, choose the 3D stickers style, and click Start. When you get the result, click the 3 dots for background removal. And here's your transparent sticker sheet. Now let's get these stickers into your iMessage. If you made them in the ChatGPT mobile app, it's the quickest route. Open your chat, tap Add to Chat app, and they're in. Use the online method instead, one extra step. Send the transparent sticker sheet to your phone first. Then open Photos, find the sheet, and long press the sticker you want until it glows. Tap Add Sticker, and you can even apply one of the built-in styles to it right there. And that's it. You're all set to send your very own stickers to your family and friends.